it's normal now to, before going to sites, that you're filling out forms and making sure that that people are healthy before going to site. So, we fill out the forms, make sure that the place you're going to visit has that on file, and answering the questions so they can make sure that not just yourself but other people are. So there's a security for yourself, there's a security for the plant doing whatever they're doing, whether food or manufacturing. I mean, the main goal here is to try to keep people safe. So there's some extra measures of just in general keeping clean, and as well trying to make sure that our own staff is being protected. So we're wearing masks, we're wearing the proper PPE, which is normal in a manufacturing setting, but the masks and then all the other PPE that goes with it. So it can be challenging, but it is what it is. So the new norm is trying to stay safe now with things like COVID that exist in the world.